Dear graduates, today we celebrate your journey in pursuing automotive excellence, driven by passion and commitment. Each step you took within the walls of your alma mater helped to shape the future you now welcome with open arms. From the first day of classes to the last day of your on-the-job training, every experience served as a stepping stone in your automotive journey. As you start your career, bring with you the knowledge, skills, Toyota values, and principles you have learned and practiced.
As a TMP Tech graduate, you are now equipped to contribute to the automotive industry, guided by Toyota values.
Your journey has been driven by passion and dedication.
Today, we celebrate your achievements.
As you move forward, embrace future challenges with confidence.
Continually strive for excellence.
And embody the principles of a Toyota technician.
Accelerate your dreams.
And together, step forward, driven by your purpose and fueled by the passion to be a world-class automotive professional.